Welcome to this issue of CCC Trends. Much has been written about the way that people lived and worked and how it changed as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. There have been a number of key demographic trends worth noting. Some market shifts were established before the pandemic, while others seemingly developed in response. In this issue of CCC Trends, we'll look closely at a key trend in detail and discuss what the impact is to our industry. Growth of the U.S. population has stalled. Results from the U.S. 2020 census will be released over the next several months. But early estimates suggest that the 2020 report will show that the U.S. experienced its smallest 10-year growth rate ever, and growth is expected to remain near flat in 2021. Labor shortages have been a major concern as we emerge from the pandemic, and near zero population growth certainly does not help. Overall, the potential labor force growth rate is expected to hover just about zero for years to come. Among the reasons given to explain why there are fewer workers at a time where there are nearly 10 million unfilled jobs include the following: childcare not available, fear of the virus, workers holding out for higher pay or a better job, early retirements, or people choosing to stay retired. With staff shortages and rising inflation, employees and employers are looking to boost wages. The Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta's Wage Growth Tracker, which measures the nominal wage growth of individuals in the U.S., was up to 4.7% for the 3-month moving average as of September of 2021. In the 8th of September 21 Beige Book, the Federal Reserve banks across nearly all districts reported extensive labor shortage and an acceleration in wages, with employers reporting to be using more frequent raises, bonuses, training, and flexible work arrangements to attract and retain workers. Repair work is up as auto accident frequency has risen. Many shops have indicated that they cannot repair as many vehicles as they did before the pandemic. And the majority of the repairers indicate that the technician shortage has been the primary reason for longer backlogs of work. Ultimately, the key to combat higher prices is to improve productivity. Unfortunately, new vehicle technologies such as ADAS and EVs have added increased complexity and requirements for new skill sets, training, and tools for the collision repair industry. So while this industry has demonstrated its resilience and its ability to adapt to new vehicle technology over the years, adapting does take some time, and today's environment means these repairs may cost more. Thank you for joining us for this issue of CCC Trends.